So now I want massage you. Available?
For how long would you like?
Maybe 60. Okay? I'll do 60 minutes. 1 hour.
I have booking. I will time.
Sorry? You have to.
Yeah.
So what time for you?
Yeah. How long would you like?
Maybe first of all.
For 45 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes.
Yeah, this moment. I will.
Okay. I'm going to toilet. Where's the toilet? Do you know?
I'm not.
Public toilet?
I'm not sure. Oh, she's doing. เธอมันมีผู้หญิงเมื่อ